Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this unique Expert combi van with a long wheelbase. It comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine and a rare 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's a 9-seater vehicle. It's had a few Howard's Peugeot upgrades. We've added tinted rear windows, there's 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels from a 5008 SUV, and also these lovely chrome sidebars. But on top of this you get DAB digital radio, air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This vehicle's done less than 1,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.